Our fifth question. Which of the following gases are commonly emitted from a volcano and is a greenhouse gas? First one, carbon dioxide. Second, methane. Third, water vapor. And fourth, phosphine. From these carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor and phosphine, which greenhouse gases are emitted from volcano? Correct option is 1, 2 and 3 only, because phosphine is not a greenhouse gas, it is a reactive atmospheric trace gas. Only carbon dioxide, methane and water vapor are emitted from a volcano and these are greenhouse gases. So option D is correct answer.